The rebirth of a legend. We are modernizing the iconic Dassault Mirage 2000, transforming raw materials into certified flight components.
Scan complete. Stress markers are within tolerance for reclamation.
Confirmed. Ready for transport.
The rebirth of a legend. The Dassault Mirage structure is rapidly scanned, generating a three-dimensional map for the central AI system.
Subprocess B.
We ensure absolute process separation. Process A routes large titanium blocks to the furnaces.
Inside the factory, rebirth of a legend, modernizing the iconic Dassault Mirage 2000 fighter structure material staging area.
Laser-guided robotic arms meticulously align the two 5-meter molds. They are then preheated.
The temperature differential is stable at 0.05.
Confirmed. Cooling profile maintained.
The ceramic shell surrounding the 2.5-meter-long titanium alloy wing spar is carefully broken away by automated...
Process A involves the careful installation of the new 2.5-meter titanium wing spar, ensuring the fleet's continued operational readiness.
As the aircraft screams through the high G turn, the new titanium spars absorb the immense aerodynamic stress, validating the rebirth of this legend.
All remaining inventory has been accounted for, and the production line for Process A is officially shut down and sterilized.
The rebirth of a legend. As the intense production of the wing spars concludes, the factory seems...
Surface hardness testing ensures the recycled Mirage structure provides a long-lasting tooling solution. The freight truck arrives at the distribution center. The deep matte blue alignment jig, product B, is
This is the alignment jig for the Mirage 2000. If you could sign here for product B. Got it.
Okay, the alignment jig is secure. Now scanning the RFID tag to verify the recycled alloy and log it into inventory.
With the final tally confirmed, the data shows successful deployment. This marks the absolute closure of both Process A and Process B.
The optimized routes ensure these critical alignment jigs reach our global air bases within the 48-hour window, supporting the modernization program.
The crates holding the rigid alignment jigs are the specialized climate-controlled.
Align the laser. We need micron accuracy on that joint. Locked on. Starting the rivet sequence.
Clear to disconnect the tug.
Disconnecting now.
Canopy coming down. Flight controls checked, all green.
Confirming the successful modernization and sustainable utilization of every component. The Mirage